Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you feeling that entrepreneurial itch? Are you looking ahead to 2025 and thinking, what's next for me? The world is changing faster than ever, and with that change comes incredible opportunities for new businesses. If you've been dreaming of being your own boss, but aren't sure where to start, you're in the right place. Today, we re-diving into some of the most promising business ideas for 2025. These are sectors with massive growth potential. So grab a notebook and let's get into it. First up, let's talk about something huge: personalized wellness and health tech. This isn't just about fitness apps anymore. Think hyper-personalized. We're talking about businesses that use AI to create custom meal plans, workout routines, and even mental wellness guides based on an individual's unique DNA, lifestyle, and health data. Imagine a service that ships you supplements perfectly tailored to your body's needs, or a smart mirror that acts as your personal trainer. The demand for health solutions that treat us as individuals, not just a statistic, is exploding. If you have a passion for health and a love for technology, this is a golden opportunity. Next, let's look at the world of sustainable and circular economy businesses. Consumers are more eco-conscious than ever. They want to buy from brands that care about the planet. This opens up so many doors. You could start a high-end rental service for fashion or electronics, reducing waste and offering variety. Or what about a business that upcycles materials into new, beautiful products? Think furniture from reclaimed wood or accessories from recycled plastics. Another big one is localized urban farming, using vertical farming techniques to grow fresh produce right in the city. These businesses don't just make money, they make a positive impact, and that's a powerful combination for success in 2025. Number 3 is all about the creator economy and niche education. Forget one-size-fits-all online courses. The future is in specialized, community-driven learning platforms. Are you an expert in a specific software, a master gardener, or a financial whiz? You can create a business around teaching your skills to a dedicated audience. This could be through a paid newsletter, a private community group, or interactive workshops. People are willing to pay for genuine expertise and a sense of belonging. The key is to find your niche, no matter how small it seems, and build a loyal community around it. It's about providing real value that people can't find just by searching online. Another massive area is AI integration and automation services for small businesses. Many small to medium-sized enterprises are overwhelmed by the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence. They know they need it, but they don't know how to implement it. That's where you come in. You could start a consulting firm that helps businesses automate their customer service with AI chatbots, optimize their marketing campaigns with predictive analytics, or streamline their operations with AI-powered software. You don't need to build the AI yourself. You just need to be the expert who connects the right tools to the right problems. You'd be saving businesses time and money, and that's a service that's always in demand. Finally, let's talk about experiential services for the digital age. After years of screens and virtual connections, people are craving real-world, memorable experiences. This isn't just about travel. Think curated local tours that uncover hidden gems in your own city, pop-up dining events with unique themes, or immersive workshops that teach a hands-on skill like pottery or mixology. You could even create tech-infused experiences like an augmented reality scavenger hunt. The goal is to help people disconnect from their devices and reconnect with the world and each other in a meaningful way. People are prioritizing spending on memories over things, and this trend is only going to get stronger. So there you have it, 5 powerful business ideas poised for success in 2025. From personalized health to sustainable solutions, and from niche education to real-world experiences. The key takeaway is to look for where technology, social values, and human needs intersect. The future belongs to those who can solve modern problems with innovative and authentic solutions. What do you think? Which of these ideas excites you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you got value from this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content to help you build your dream future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.